Alrighty, welcome officially to the course, and in this video I'm going to show you how to install the Yoast SEO plugin. So let's jump over to the back end and let's go to plugins, add new, and we're just going to go ahead and install Yoast just like any other plugin. Yoast SEO by Team Yoast. Let's click install now. It's installed. Let's activate the plugin. And all right, so you might get this message saying notifications to notifications. Let's click in there. And all right, so you can see right now it says, good job, we could detect no serious SEO problems. Hopefully you would also have the exact same message. If you do have problems, don't worry. I'm pretty sure by the end of this course, you will have zero problems. But what we want to do right now is to click on the Yoast SEO Configuration Wizard. So go ahead now and click on the Configuration Wizard. And okay, so basically there are two different ways how you can install Yoast. You can do it manually, or you can get the Yoast team to do it for you, but then you have to pay them. So let's just go ahead and click on the very first option in here, configure Yoast SEO. All right, so first things first, here is the environment. What kind of site do you have? Is it live or is it under construction? Now, some people might argue that you can install Yoast at any time, it doesn't matter. Now, personally, I like to install Yoast on a site that's live and running. And the reason is because Yoast as a plugin needs data to work with. It needs posts. It needs to have a site that's already built in order for it to be effective. So I'm going to go ahead now and assume that you already have a site that's built and you're simply trying to install Yoast on it. So I'm going to go ahead now and click on option A. My site is live and ready to be indexed. So let's go ahead and click next. All right, so what kind of site is yours? Is it a blog, an online shop? Mine is a blog. I'm going to go ahead and choose that, a blog. Let's go ahead now. So does your site represent a person or a company? Mine's a person, and the name of the person is Alex. That's me, Alex. Let's click next. All right, so over here, if you do have social profiles for your business or your website, this is where you'd like to paste them, okay? So you can go ahead and paste them. I don't have any for now, so I'm just going to go ahead and click next. You can add the profiles later on, by the way. You don't have to do so right now. Now, this is going to be a very, very important part of the installation, the search engine visibility. Now, depending on the complexity of your site, you may have other options available. For example, if you've installed or created custom post types, you will have the options for custom post types and other things like that. However, by default, you definitely want search engines to show your posts in search results. This is an absolute must. Now, pages is a little bit iffy. And the reason why I say that is because sometimes you may not want your pages to show up in search results, because what's the point? If your pages are the standard types of WordPress pages, like the About page, the Contact Us page, the Terms and Conditions page, the Policy page, you may not want those pages to show up on search results. So for me, I'm just going to go ahead and click no, but again, this is completely up to you. It doesn't matter. You can either go with yes or no. It's really up to you. So I'm going to go ahead and click no, and I'm going to go ahead and click next now. Multiple authors. So mine is just a single author. If you have multiple authors on your site, then you definitely want to choose yes. I'm going to go ahead and stick with no. And all right, so here we have to add the Google Search Console code. By the way, if you don't have your Google account, you do need to create a Google account to work with the Yoast SEO. And if you don't have your Google Search Console, if you don't have an account with them, here's the link right here, but you have to open it in a new tab. Don't click on the link directly because it will take you straight to the site and you'll have to start all over again. So you can simply right click, open this in a new tab. And over here, you can read the article on how to create your account with Google Search Console. It's very straightforward, and you really shouldn't have any problems with it, all right? So let me just come back over here, and I'm going to go ahead now and get my Google authorization code. That's my email address. I'm going to go ahead and allow. I'm going to go ahead and copy this code right now, and I'm going to paste that in here, authenticate, choose a profile. I'm going to go with my SEO.Tascopedia, click next. All right, so for the title settings, well, you can change your website name, but I already assume you have a proper website name. I'm going to change mine to SEO Task. All right, SEO Tasks. Title separator, I'm just going to stick with default. Go to next. So you can sign up for the newsletter if you want to receive updates and news on how to work with SEO, Yoast SEO, and so on. You can add your name, your email, and sign up for their newsletter. I'm just going to go ahead and click next. And of course, we've come to the very end where you can, of course, upgrade to the premium version of Yoast SEO if you want to. You can undergo the training as well, such as copyright training, the Yoast SEO plugin training, and so on and so forth. I'm going to go ahead and click next. And you've done it. Congratulations, you've installed Yoast SEO successfully on your WordPress website.